Hey guys, and welcome back to another video in my Winter Makeup Wednesday series. I am in the middle of filming a foundation video for Foundation February that is coming out soon, so that is why I already have my foundation and concealer on, but I wanted to film an eye look for today's video. I'm toying between doing a bright winter lip or a blue makeup look. We'll see where it goes, but thank you guys as always for watching. I do hope you enjoyed this video, and let's just go ahead and get started. I have some chamomile, I almost said chamomile wine. I have chamomile tea today, which is nice because it is snowing outside right now and it's really gloomy and not so nice. I'm gonna start by applying my bronzer, and because I'm using a powder foundation in today's video, I'm going to use the butter bronzer from Physicians Formula. So fun little fact is the other day I downloaded Bumble and I started a Bumble profile, and it is such a foreign world to me. Like, the whole online dating world is something I've never done, and it is so strange. I'm still trying to wrap my head around it. And the problem is that Bumble, you have to like talk first if you're the girl, which is actually good, I guess. Like, when you think about it, like, it gives the girl all the power, but I'm just horrible at starting conversations, so I find that to be actually quite bad. So I think I might switch and use, I'm never going to use Tinder, I don't think, but I might use Hinge, because I don't think the girl needs to start the conversation. Anyways, just so you know, I've entered the online dating world and it is very overwhelming. So the next thing I want to apply is the Butter Blush by Physicians Formula, and this one is in the shade Rosy Pink. I really love this blush in the wintertime, as you guys probably know because I use it in a ton of my videos. It just looks so nice on the skin. Cool toned pinks are just so beautiful. If you have like a similar skin tone to myself, if you haven't tried a cool toned pink yet, I would definitely recommend. I just think they look so effortless and soft and feminine, and they just look beautiful on the skin. I just kind of applied a lot of that pink because I feel like my skin is a little bit pale. The foundation I'm using either is washing me out or it could be the lighting. It's kind of weird when I was using a powder foundation because I wasn't sure if I should apply powder on the powder product under my eyes. So I kind of avoided that area, but I think right now I'm going to apply the Maybelline Prep Set and Glow just on the under eye area and maybe on my chin or forehead. We'll see. But yeah, I was not sure if when you're using a powder foundation, if you should use it under your eyes as well. Also, because that powder that I'm testing is very matte looking, Milani powder might kind of brighten it up a little bit under there. I am going to set my face with my Maybelline Lasting Fix Setting Spray. Kind of doused my face in this spray because it's so weird being in a matte powder, and I just felt like I needed some spray on my face. So I'm gonna apply my eyebrows off camera and then I will be back. Actually, this look is gonna be done really quick because it's just lips and eyes and we are done. So I've decided to go for a blue eyeshadow look today instead of the bright lip. I'm gonna start by eyeshadow primer on my eyelids. This is the Milani eyeshadow primer. Feels really sticky today. Oh, no wonder this is not... This is my NYX glitter glue. That's why it feels so sticky. Ah, shoot. Okay, well, there's that. Why would I not look? That's fun. I'm going to try and set that, and hopefully it'll make it easier to blend on top. I'm going to take my BH Cosmetics Blueberry Muffin palette. I'm going to take the shade Fluffy, which is a soft peach, like a nude peach, and I'm going to set this glitter glue. That has never ever happened to me before, but honestly it's actually not too hard to blend on top. So bad, I can't believe I did that. Hopefully it doesn't look patchy or anything, but I'm going to take the shade Delish, the soft pastel-y blue, and I'm going to pat this, I think, all over the lid. Just want like a soft wash of blue, nothing super intense. I want to blend that out after. I just want to get the color onto the other lid. I should have washed off that glitter glue. It's looking like a little bit patchy. Okay, I want to take that fluffy brush we used earlier. I'm just going to blend this blue up into the transition shade we put down. So I'm going to take that same peach shade we used, and I'm just going to blend that onto the lower lash line. I'm going to take my black eyeliner and line the outer half of my upper waterline with it. And I'm also going to line my lower waterline with this as well. I know it looks kind of crazy right now, but I'm going to take my pencil brush and start smudging that in. That it looks a bit softer. I just stabbed my eye. Oh, you know what movie I watched yesterday? Which I'm shocked that I haven't seen it yet, but I just watched Parasite. I always say Paradise, which is like the opposite of Paradise, but I watched Parasite. It was really, really good. I thought it was an unconventionally good movie, but the party scene, like the birthday party scene, just kind of was so strange. I just can't stop thinking about it. It reminded me of a Black Mirror episode, and it reminded me of like Get Out a little bit. I'm gonna blend Baker's Dozen onto the lower lash line. It's black with a little bit of like sparkles in it, and I'm just going to use it right on top of the liner and blend it out, make it a bit of a softer lash line. Oh, I haven't done like a black waterline in so long. I feel a little bit raccoonish right now. I'm also going to do the same thing with the upper lash line. Same shade, just kind of using it to soften it out a bit. A crease brush, it's a little bit smaller than like a fluffy crease brush. I'm just going to blend this out a bit. Yeah, I haven't had such a dark waterline in a very long time. I feel like I've lost all of the blue, so I'm going to go back into the blue shade and kind of pat it on a little bit more. And then just blend it upwards. I have this sparkly thing that I want to use. This is Oh My OMG Glitter by BH Cosmetics in the shade Illumina Teal. And it is supposed to be like blue glitter. So I wanted to add a little bit of this. I kind of wanted to use it to like line my eyes, but then I forgot and I did the black liner. So I'm going to like place it right on top of that black liner. I'm going to curl my lashes. Oh no! Okay, this glitter, I like looked up and then it transferred. So I'm just gonna start adding this all over the lid because I don't want it to look funny if it transfers. I don't know how long it takes for this glitter to dry, but I just don't want to deal with the transfer. I'm going to curl my lashes and then I will pop back on and add a lip color. Eyes are done. It turned out a bit different than I was expecting it to look because I had to add glitter all over the lid because it kept transferring. I think if I did this look again, I probably wouldn't do the super dark under eyes, especially not when I got like zero sleep last night and I have the darkest under eye circles. I look like I kind of just got home after a really late night out, not in the mood to redo this. So we're just going to add the lip color. This is the Revlon Colorstay Satin Ink Lipstick in the shade Eyes on You. And I think because that is a little bit darker than I wanted it to look, I'm going to add the shade Your Go-To on top to kind of lighten this up a bit. Or not even lighten it, just like make it a little more cool toned. Okay, and that sums up this makeup look. Again, it didn't turn out exactly the way I wanted it or envisioned it to look, but yeah. Oh well, that is this makeup look. So that completes this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you've been enjoying the winter makeup looks that I've been doing on my channel recently. Actually, this might be the last video that I film in my like Winter Makeup Wednesday series. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much as always for watching. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Twitter. Please subscribe if you'd like to see more videos, and I'll see you in my next one.